Subject to today's video is the 10 best-selling affiliate marketing niches for 2022. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Now quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do your research first before you give them your credit card. Now, what are the 10 best affiliate marketing niches? First, I'm going to start off with 6 affiliate marketing niches that are the bleeding edge niches for 2022. And I'm going to do this in reverse order. The last one will be the best one. The first is pickleball. Pickleball is a really fast-growing sport, and you can do a micro niche in pickleball with pickleball clothes or equipment. Next is 3D printing. 3D printing is the cutting edge of printing, and just do a Google search for affiliate marketing links for 3D printing. Next is cryptocurrency. You've all heard of Bitcoin, but there's a lot of other things in cryptocurrency besides Bitcoin. There's 100 different sub-levels to cryptocurrency. So just go on Google search and do affiliate marketing links for cryptocurrency. Next is e-learning, and the best micro niche for e-learning is how to start your own e-learning course, focusing on people who have a lot of knowledge about a subject, and those folks might want to start their own e-learning course and they don't know how to do that. The next is the Internet of Things, IoT devices. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is the internet working of physical devices, vehicles, also referred to as connected devices and smart devices, buildings and other items, embedded with electronics, software, sensors, actuators, and network connectivity that enable those objects to collect and exchange data. Now do a Google search on the Internet of Things affiliate marketing links. And the last one here, and this is really for people who really have a lot of experience in affiliate marketing, this one is metaverse. Metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection. Now take a cue from Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook, who is now investing billions into metaverse and his new company, Meta. Mark Zuckerberg sees the metaverse as the successor to the mobile internet. Metaverse affiliate programs can be found at metaverse/5.com. That's metaverse/5.com. Now let's get back into more niches that are making money. The technology niche. Micro niches in technology would be the home automation micro niche and also the drones micro niche. Technology. People love using the latest technology and gadgets such as smartphones, MP3 speakers, laptops, tablets, etc. The simplest way to sell these gadgets is through an e-tailer like Amazon, but Amazon only pays 2 to 3% commission. Or you can buy products from other sellers like Alibaba.com and get connected with wholesalers and manufacturers. To sell your products, you need marketing skills like blogging. Here you can focus on telling about the latest technology and products coming in the market. You can also share reviews via your review site about different products. Share your affiliate link on the side to initiate the buying process. So you must learn this innovation well from affiliate marketing in the gadgets and technology niche. You could also choose to work with a software technology provider. Many financial technology providers, such as loan lenders or accounting, can provide 2 or even 3-figure commissions to introducers. All you have to do is might be to add some banners to your site. The next big niche is, of course, the health, weight loss, fitness niche. Micro niches would be all natural makeup or curly hair care. Health and fitness, with more awareness of health fitness issues these days, people are ready to buy healthy products repeatedly, thus giving more profits to the affiliate marketer on the back end. It is a very lucrative niche, as it will never see a slowdown because people continuously look for new and advanced health products to use, including well-being products, illness-related products, or health improvement products. Another thing to note is that these products are very costly, making affiliate marketing more profitable. Once the user uses a product and likes it, he will sure to keep buying it again and again to maintain its results, which means you make money on the back end. Thus, there is surety your product will keep selling and keep giving good sales and profits. The next niche is the digital marketing niche. Digital marketing is the act of selling products and services through channels such as social media, SEO, email, and mobile apps. Basically, any digital marketing is any form of marketing that involves electronic devices. Example would be Aweber. An Aweber autoresponder site is a good marketing niche. The next niche is the love relationship niche, dating. The dating and relationship niche comes with a wide range of products because people always need advice in this sphere. There may be someone looking for a date online. You can promote dating websites that offer a commission to the marketers for new signups. You can further narrow it down to niches like dating sites for ethnic groups, dating sites for particular religious groups, etc. You can also advertise books and guides on relationships and communication. This is a huge niche market that has a huge earning potential. The next niche would be finances and investments, wealth building. People make investments for building wealth, and everybody wants to make money from bonds, stocks, forex, and other investment products. But not many people have the knowledge or education for making such investments. They seek proper advice from trading services, financial newsletters, etc., which help in investing in basic budgeting and advanced trading strategies. Whether the market state is bear or bull, recessing or depressing, investment products always do well. So if you're interested in this topic, you can do wonders by helping people out in the investing and earning money, good money at the same time. The next niche is the pet care niche. Pets. Many people own pets and spare no expense in buying goodies for their pets, be it their food, bathing accessories, play toys, medicines, etc. You'll also be surprised to see cat leashes and dog strollers in the pet stores. This is a perfect niche for affiliate marketing. Next niche is the entertainment, movies, music niche, followed by the fashion beauty niche. Beauty, this is one of the largest and top 10 markets of profitable niches. Who doesn't want smoother, tighter, and glowing skin without wrinkles? This vertical is not limited to females alone nowadays. Even males are conscious about their looks and want clear, radiant skin. In fact, the fashion beauty niche for males is a good way to drill down into a micro niche for male products. You can also start YouTube videos showing beauty tips, explaining healthcare products, etc. It's a very lucrative and booming niche for affiliate marketing. This industry has more to offer by selling beauty products and creams or guiding people through beauty via YouTube videos. Your affiliate business can grow manifolds in this domain, provided you have the interest and everything it takes to rise and shine in this area. The next niche is the travel accommodation niche. And a good micro niche here is the tiny houses micro niche. Next is the mental health niche. Lifestyle. Lifestyle is the term referred to as a way of living, and people these days want to improve their lifestyle and adopt ways to do so. Lifestyle blogs are helpful in this business, but you cannot just write anything to please the writer. You must think broadly and do your homework exceptionally well to develop fantastic lifestyle ideas for your readers. This is a bit expensive niche and needs a lot of research and study. Your write-up must be relatable and must have the power to bring a change to the reader. He must feel motivated to change himself by reading your blog. People love to bring positive changes in their lifestyles, but they lack the proper knowledge and motivation. Your blog or content must have that capability, otherwise it is not a wise investment for affiliate marketing. The next niche is the self-development niche, self-improvement. This industry is constantly growing, with more and more people wanting to know about ways of self-improvement and building self-esteem. These days, people are vocal about mental health and do not feel shy in sharing their weaknesses. Such people often seek online help to come out of their cocoon and face the world. They require training to overcome their weaknesses. There are online programs, courses, training books, videos, etc., that give ideas to increase confidence, achieve goals, succeed in a career, and overcome obstacles. Working towards such ways to help people build self-esteem can yield huge profits in affiliate marketing. However, you already know these are broad niches, and we need to find a micro niche. You need to drill down. Next niche is gaming. With the coming of gaming laptops, smartphones, and other portable devices, the gaming industry has grown fabulously. Games are enjoyed by people of all ages, irrespective of gender or social status. The gaming niche has the advantage that the users constantly update with new releases by the game developers and want to be aware of the new content that has come up. People usually get addicted to specific games and want to remain updated. And with more creativity, more and more games are being developed and making people go crazy. Plus, the market with no age or gender bars makes it a pretty lucrative niche in today's time. Next niche is the business and entrepreneurship niche. With the internet booming, many people want to quit their jobs, starting their own businesses and become entrepreneurs. They prefer making money via digital marketing, but they need advice and guidance. Such people will be your prospects. You can make good money in this niche by selling affiliate or digital products. People nowadays want to invest in lucrative businesses and become entrepreneurs. You can offer them guidance and support without the process, because not everyone can become an entrepreneur just like that. You can provide them business ideas, tutorials on what it takes to become a businessman, etc. from this niche. The next niche is gardening. Yes, this may sound weird, but gardening is also one of the promising niches in affiliate marketing and a good place for beginners. It has reached a whole new level from the earlier days when gardening meant a hobby to be done during the weekend or free time. With urban farming coming up, there are several micro niches within this, which are profitable. Like I said earlier, everything has gone online now, and people use the knowledge and services online on what they should do. Here again are some broad niches that you can drill down on: health and fitness, yoga, meditation, weight loss, mental health, weightlifting, finance, personal finance, cryptocurrencies, stock market advice, budget lifestyle, local business advice, make money online, SEO, digital marketing, graphic design, advertise online, mobile apps, self-development, time management, stop drinking, relationship advice, motivation, healthy habits, pet care, dog training, pet food. Now, the best Google ad and clickbait training is with John Crestani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program. And there my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. and he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels 2, $1 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's Complete Affiliate Marketing Video Training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison or Pajama Profits, click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.